Okay, take a look at the WORKPRO 7-piece ratcheting combination wrench set. Okay, that's cool. Actually comes with its own case. And there we are. We got a 5/16 to an 11/16, 5/16 3/8, 7/16 half, 9/16 5/8, 11/16. So no skips between 5/16 and 11/16. It does have a nice 72-point ratchet system. And it does feel good on both the largest and smallest sizes. Now, one of the things that you're going to notice about this one, it is not a flex set. It is, in fact, straight. Now, straight can be a problem because if you're laying on something that's completely flat, you're going to be like scraping your knuckles trying to get this thing to move. But where this is going to come in handy is anytime you got to dive deep into something and you have to apply pressure, having a flex set on here could actually be a problem for you. So this is going to give you that rigidity to be able to lock into those fasteners and get them tightened up even in a very cramped quarters. On top of that, this head itself isn't that big. So if you're trying to hook onto a 5/8 fastener, you're going to have plenty of room where you're going to actually be able to fit this in. Whereas a lot of other ratchet wrenches, whether it's got a flex head or it's got a toggle style on it, those are going to be bigger and you're not going to be able to fit them in. So with that, with also the width, so you're going to be able to fit this in tighter areas. You're never going to be able to fit a regular ratchet. This is a great tool for tight areas. You can see it has a nice chrome finish on it. We are printed on both sides, so you can see exactly what this wrench is no matter what orientation we're lifting it at. And it is chrome vanadium. So another thing I like to see is that this is actually designed right. So what I mean by that is that the wrench, you can kind of see how it's curved up a little bit. So this should tell you the direction that it's going to tighten. And that is exactly how this works. So as soon as I pick this wrench up, I'm going to know exactly which way I need to go to tighten. So very nice that they did that right. These are decent length wrenches. So if you need to get a lot of leverage on something, you'll be able to do that with this. So yeah, let's go ahead and put these things to work. Cool. Yeah, that is a great wrench.